Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin at the MACD once the approach is loaded. Confirm the active flight plan and that the correct approach and runway are selected. Next, go to the perf or init page and then RTE or APP pages where minima entries live. Enter the approach automatically rather than manual bypass when possible. This ensures VNAV/LPV data integrity. Once you see the minima fields, prepare required values, landing minima source, category, and decision height or minima altitude before moving to the CDU fields. Now input the actual minima numbers. Choose the approach category based on weight and flap/speed configuration, then enter the correct DH/DA or MDA in feet and the visibility as RVR in meters when available. Make sure to select the minima type, CATI versus CAT Roman 2/Roman 3 or circling, because it changes auto-land and alert logic. After entering values, cross-check with company minima and approach plate. Once complete, press exec or confirm so the system accepts the new. Finish by validating that the minima appear correctly on the MACD and navigation displays, and that the aircraft mode logic reflects the selected minima. If the system rejects entries, check for common issues: wrong approach or runway selected, incorrect DH units, or mismatched landing category. If problems persist, clear the minima fields and re-enter them carefully. As a last resort, soft restart the MACD to remove temporary faults. Make sure to brief crew on any deviations from standard minima before approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.